Do you restore emails into Office 365 from locally stored PST files? In this video, we will show the safest method to restore different email items like contacts, calendars, tasks, etc. into the Office 365 account. With SysInfo Office 365 backup and restore software you can easily restore emails into Office 365, which gives you an efficient feature to add PST files saved on the desktop and import the PST file directly into Office 365 account. Let's look out with the steps to restore from Windows desktop. After you launch the software, select the option to restore Office 365. After which you will see the login interface, type the credentials of your Office 365 account. Click on the login button. Now you into the Office account. Here you will get an option to add PST, click on Add PST File button. Select the destination mailbox option. Click Next. Now you can see different options in front of you, choose the items type and also the option to exclude the empty folder. You can also filter your email while exporting it into the Office with the date range. Click on the Apply button. The mailbox will get transferred to the destination user ID. While the process is going on, you also stop or pause the uploading process. Click on the OK button once the process is completed. Thank you for watching the video. For more such updates, subscribe the channel and follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn.